chose to Intercalate basically because it was one of the things that stood out to me on the university website when I first was researching universities and where I wanted to apply.
I chose to Intercalate because I thought it would be a good opportunity to see like the different sides of like academia and stuff in dentistry. So like you don't get that much exposure as an undergrad apart from like being told about different papers, so I think getting first-hand experience of doing your own research was quite cool.
So I chose to Intercalate because it's an opportunity to do some in-depth research into an area which interested me.
I didn't actually properly consider it until my second year when we had a talk from a member of staff and just outlined all the different types of projects that were available.
So you get to meet a lot of people that I wouldn't have otherwise met, like academics and PhDs and master's students, so it's quite nice from that aspect, and you get involved with like the Dental School Research Society, so you meet people through that as well.
Throughout the rest of the dental course, there's so much going on, you don't really have time to do any self-directed research, and this was an opportunity to spend a whole year on something that interested me and go into lots of depth in that area.
And I just thought it was a really interesting way of directing my own learning, so to speak, because you can really just hone in on something that you're actually interested in, whereas the rest of dentistry as a course, as is sort of expected, it's a little bit more rigid in the way it's taught. It was quite a hard decision though to make because you are taken out of your year group, you spend a year on your own essentially, and then you're back in with a completely new group of people, and after being in the same year group for 2 years you kind of feel settled and you feel as though I'd rather sort of just carry my time through uni with the same people. But like sort of on reflection, when I weighed up the pros and cons, I realised that I would still be seeing everybody every day anyway, and now I've just got twice as many people who I know in the dental school, so it's actually worked out quite well. It honestly took me maybe a week to get used to my new year, and then you just slip right back into it. So
yeah, I just thought it'd be quite an interesting thing to do, and it's only a year, so it's like it seems like a long time, but it's not actually that long for research, I don't think. I just thought it'd be quite enjoyable, and it was, so that's good.